It's gonna be Porkribs. Yummy, yummy. Okay. I'm gonna cover and keep for some time. This is the second items. This is what do we call this? Prawn. The prawn. Prawn. Okay. Okay, this is prawn. And she's bearing many eggs. All of them are female. Female prawn. Okay. Now I'm gonna add the ingredients: tomato, dried lemon leaf, and the green chili.
Yeah, bro.
Even my pup is getting angry. This is first trial without fry. The last time I cooked, I fried, but this time without fry. Let's see. This is like so to say pure Naga style. Pure Naga cooking style. Pure Naga cooking style. Are you satisfied? What I said, pure Naga cooking style. Okay. The color is so good. I love food.
No. Thank you.